Eh, don't.
You place a chair. So, hey,
Dito magagawin, dito magagawin.
I smell Jim.
Yeah, just.
Pour it.
Yeah.
Why?
Enough.
Hindi na kaya eh.
Edgardo naman yun.
Bakit sabi mo lahat eh?
That's 1/2 cup na lang.
Yeah. 1/2 lang.
1/2 cup of that cup.
Yeah, it's green.
1/2 na lang, ano,
Kaya
Edgardo.
green.
1/2 na lang.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, 1/2.
Uy, ba't nilagyan mo sa buso?
Rinil, ano ba? Hindi ko yung makakat. Dire-diretso yan. Huwag ka kasi mag-joke.
Stop.
It's not enough.
Yeah.
Wala, hindi na-absorb.
Ayun.
Ibang klase yun.
Paano hindi na
Hindi nag-a-absorb.
Hindi, wala.
Oh my gosh, look. Hey, don't you dare touch it. Didn't get wet. Just to the side. Hey, don't make me laugh,
Majestic.
please.
Ano yan?
Homemade.
Domex. Stop.
No,
Stop.
Okay.
Ang ganda na ginawa ni Hano. Na-absorb. Oh, bilis, oh.